Biology MCQs. MCQs number 1. Mosquito excrete nitrogenous waste in the form of NO2. Option D is correct. MCQs number 3. Mammals are evolved from reptiles. Option D is correct. Reptiles. MCQs number 4. Largest invertebrate animal is squid. Option B is correct. Squid. MCQ number 5. Heart of tetrapods contains 3 chambers. Option B is correct. 3 chambers. MCQ number 6. Nerves of butterflies arise from ganglia. Option D is correct. Ganglia. MCQ number 7. Mouth of echinodermis is present on lower surface. Option B is correct. Lower surface. MCQ number 8. Cranium originates from notochords. Option B is correct. Notochord. MCQ number 9. Cytolozers are an example of reptiles. Option B, C is correct. MCQ number 10. Mantle is a characteristic feature of mollusca. Option B is correct. Mollusca. MCQ number 11. Fertilization of toads is external. Option B is correct. External. MCQ number 12. Antennae of grasshoppers are sense organs. Option D is correct. Sense organs. MCQ number 3. Anus of echinodermis is present on upper surface. Option A is correct. MCQ number 14. Mammals became dominant during Cenozoic period. Option D is correct. 15. Tonio is protective covering of molecula. Option B is correct. Molgula. MCQ number 16. Functionally mental service as a gland. Option D is correct. A gland. MCQ number 17. Ammonium of amphibians is absent. Option D is correct. Is absent. MCQ number 18. Respiratory system of arthropods consists of trachea. Option D is correct. MCQ number 19. Exclusively marine phyla are Echinodermata. Option D is correct. Number of bones present in lower jaw of mammals are 1. MCQ number 21. Function of mantle is protection. Option D is correct. Protection. MCQ number 22. Function of cranium is to enclose brain. Option A is correct. Brain. 23. Trachea open to exterior through spiracles. Option 3 is correct. MCQ number 24. Vertical of crocodile is divided into 2. Option A is correct. 2. 25. Water enter in brittle star through madreporite. Option C is correct. 25. Water enter in brittle star through madreporite. Option C is correct. MCQ number 26. Secretion of mantle consists of CaCO3. Option A is correct. MCQ number 27. Air consists of all of them. Incus, stapes, malleus. All of them. Option 4 is correct. MCQ number 28. Cardiac arthropods respire through gills. Option C is correct. Gills. MCQ number 29. Function of vertebral column is to enclose spinal cord. Option B is correct. Spinal cord. MCQ number 30. Madrepore is present on arboreal surface. Option B is correct. MCQ number 31. Foot of mollusca lies ventrally. Option B is correct. Ventrally. MCQ number 32. Earliest birds are considered to be Archaeopteryx. Option A is correct. Archaeopteryx. MCQ number 33. A larva resembling the adult is termed as nymph. Nymph. Option B is correct. Nymph. MCQ number 34. Aortic arc of mammal is left. B is correct. Left. 35. Body is fusiform in chondric thighs. Option A is correct. 36. Echinoderm moved by tube feet. Option B is correct. Tube feet. MCQ number 37. Viscera of snail lies dorsally. Option A is correct. Dorsally. MCQ number 38. Each wing of Archaeopteryx consists of 3 claws. Option C is correct. MCQ number 39. Arthropods move by paired wings. C is correct. 40. Characteristics of Prototheria resembles to mammals and reptiles. Option B is correct. Reptiles. 41. Position of shark mouth is ventral. Option B is correct. Ventral. 42. Brain of echinoderms is absent. Option 4 is correct. Absent. 43. Radola is characteristic feature of squids. Option C is correct. MCQ number 44. Wings are evolved from forelimb. Option A is correct. 45. Carapace is part of exoskeleton. A is correct. MCQ number 46. Function of Prototherian quokka is A and B, excretory and reproduction. Option C is correct. MCQ number 47. Endoskeleton of rays is made up of cartilage. B is correct. Cartilage. 48. Larvae of echinoderms are termed as bipinnaria, brachyolaria. Option C is correct. Both A and B. 49. Radola serves as a rasping tongue. Option D is correct. MCQ number 50. Running is performed by hind limbs. Option B is correct. Hind limbs.